Good morning, Alderwood. What I'd like to do today is introduce you to a new device that I'm bringing into our facilities to address any incident that might involve an active shooter. So, this is a particular device that I've brought in specifically to help secure office spaces in the event that we have somebody coming in with bad intentions. These devices, called door jammers, add an extra layer of security to the bottom of our inward swinging doors in the event somebody is trying to force that door open. Essentially, what these look like are little devices you can put underneath your door, and I'll show you how they actually work. They're pretty straightforward. There's a couple of different components to it. First of all, there are these wedges, and what these are designed to do are for you to close your door and then simply place the right size wedge into the door jamb up top. And part of the reason you want to do this is it'll make the actual door jammer at the bottom a little bit more effective. So the way you actually place this is you simply slide it underneath the open door as tight as you can. So bring that in close. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start moving this dial until it actually sits very tight on the carpet. So turning this dial will actually set the door jammer in very solid. And then at the end, what you should have is a device that, combined with the lock, will make it almost impossible for anybody from the outside to actually kick the door open. So I'll give that a bit of a pull here, and that's very secure. That'll actually prevent the bottom of the door from being kicked in. And we'll be sure to distribute these to all of our facilities. So that includes M&O buildings, both of them, as well as the admin and the wastewater treatment plant too. So Paul has just installed a door jammer specifically on this door, and we're going to show you just how strong it actually keeps this door from being opened. Now that's with the door being pushed and the doorknob being unlocked. Now these door jammers are just going to be one additional tool in an overall training program that I'll be delivering over the next few months regarding responding to an active shooter threat. It's all part of developing a stronger, more resilient workforce here at Alderwood. So the easiest thing to do to store these is to simply hang it off your inside swinging door. That way you can get at it very quickly if necessary. So if you have any additional questions about how to actually deploy these, or you need a one-on-one briefing, just let me know here at the admin office, and I'll make sure to come out to you and make sure that you can use these devices effectively.